and welcome back to Beauty by Andrea Michelle. I was gonna say Michellara. I don't know, that's so weird. But anyways, you guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, then welcome. Please join me today on this very special edition of Heavy Glam. Okay, because this right here, sweetheart, this is no joke, okay? So this is not for the weak, let's just say that. Today's video is going to be this lovely, super monochromatic burgundy look. Always gotta make sure you don't have lipstick on your teeth. But please stay tuned and let's enjoy this video, you guys. Don't forget to, oh my gosh, let me not be weird. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on all forms of social media. And also don't forget that I will be listing all the products down below. And if you're interested, please keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so let's begin. I'm going to prep my lips with some Vaseline lip product. This stuff is bomb. Then we're going to go ahead and prep our eyelids. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape, and then I'm basically just going to be blending this out. And for eyeshadows today, I'm going to be using the Sugar Trip NYX palette. It's such a pretty palette. It's got really vibrant colors, but also a couple neutrals. Alongside this palette, I will be using the James Charles Artistry palette. So just kind of follow along and see. I use my transition shade, this kind of like neutral, soft sienna brown, and then I go on and I pack on the vivid pink and then the vivid purple, and then I go back and, well, just watch. Okay, so now we get into blending these two colors out and just making sure that the gradient is just as you like it. After that, we're finally going to dive into the metallic, I guess you can call it like the chunky glitter. No, this is a metallic. It's in the Morphe palette, the James Charles one. It's beautiful purple. I'm absolutely obsessed. It has some bluish silver reflex in it, and I thought it just complemented these two colors so well, and it just adds like the perfect pop. Moving on to the face, here I am using the Milani 2-in-1 Concealer and Foundation. I love this foundation. It's super high coverage, so I just dot this all over my face and then buff it out. For concealers, I use LA Girl Cosmetics in yellow, and I also use an oldie but goodie, and it is the Maybelline I'm so sorry. L'Oreal Infallible. I love this concealer. It's so good. So basically, you know, buff it all out, get it all right. So obviously with a super dramatic eye like this, we definitely want to work on the lower lash line, and basically you're just repeating the same colors that you use up top, you go ahead and use on the bottom. However, I don't use any of the metallics on the bottom. I just feel like they slowly work their way inside my eye and ain't nobody want that. So for blush, I actually experimented by using some of the eyeshadows that I used on my eyes. And whoopsies, one of them was way too strong, but we managed to work that out just fine. I also did my contour, apparently off camera, but I did use the Wet n Wild contour. Also, let's not forget the lashes that I just added on here. For my lip combo, I did use BFF3, and that's by Colourpop, and also a liquid lip that is from their, like, I Love My Pony, or I Love Ponies. You know what collection I'm talking about. But anyways, it's super beautiful, beautiful plum, and it's super, like, whoa, in your face, and I don't give a damn. You can definitely do a nude lip. That would have been totally fine. But, you know, I had to go the extra step. And after your lip is done, we add highlight. Okay, girl. This beautiful Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics. Yes, shine, come through. And just spray your face and you are done. Alrighty, you guys. So that completes today's look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this super heavy, glam, fun Valentine's Day look. I know I did. Let me tell you guys something. First of all, I have a few things to say. Thank you for watching. I said that already. So, I have no plans for Valentine's Day as of yet, in case anybody's, like, you know, dying to know what I'm doing, and I wish my baby hairs would just kind of, like, cooperate, but they're not. So, anyways, this is a super heavy glam look. It is not for everybody, so obviously you could switch up the lip. You can definitely do, like, a more neutral, maybe nude, rosy pink color, but you know, I've got these badass lashes on that like I could barely see out of, so I just figure why not go with the dark lip. And it's kind of like this monotone burgundy purple feel to the whole look itself, so I really enjoyed the dark lip. Again, you can switch it up, you can do anything you like, but the eyes are meant to be dramatic. It is a heavy glam look, so just keep that in mind. And once again, hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to sign up for notifications, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat and all that good stuff. And I will list all the products down below. With that said, have an amazing ass day.